and welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be listening to part 2 of Jorge's story. Jorge steps off the plane. He is in New York City. He smiles. His dream is real. The airport is big. Many people are walking fast. Some speak English. Some speak other languages. Jorge listens and watches. Everything feels new. Outside, the air is cool. Yellow taxis drive by. People carry bags and suitcases. Tall buildings stand in the distance. Jorge looks up. They are like mountains, he says. He takes a deep breath. I am really here, he thinks. He remembers all the hard work. He saved money for 5 years. He studied English every day. Now it is time to enjoy his trip. This is his adventure. He walks to Central Park. The park is green and beautiful. Birds sing, people ride bikes, children play. Jorge smiles. He sees a group of kids playing tag. They run and laugh. You're it, one boy shouts. Jorge laughs too. Their joy makes him happy. He sits on a bench. He feels peaceful. This is a good place, he thinks. Near him, a couple is also sitting. They look kind. Jorge wants to practice English. He feels a little nervous, but he smiles and says, "Excuse me, where are you from?" The man smiles. "We are from England," he says. "What about you?" "I am from Colombia," Jorge says proudly. "This is my first time here." "Do you like New York so far?" the woman asks. Jorge laughs. "Yes, I feel like I am in a movie. Everything is big and bright." They all laugh. They talk for a few more minutes. Jorge feels proud. He is using his English. He is meeting new people. Later, Jorge walks to Times Square. It is busy and bright. The lights shine in every color. Big screens show ads and videos. People take photos. Jorge looks around. "Wow," he says softly. "This place is amazing." A man juggles balls on the street. People stop and watch. Jorge stops too. He claps with the crowd. He turns to a woman next to him. "Excuse me," he says. "Is this show every day?" "Yes," she says. "It happens every night. Isn't it fun?" "Yes, very fun," Jorge says with a big smile. He takes out his phone and takes a photo. "I want to remember this moment," he thinks. Then a man hands out flyers. "Free comedy show, tonight," he says. Jorge takes one. "Maybe I will go," he thinks. He walks more. He looks at a big sign. It shows a Broadway play. The colors are bright and exciting. Jorge stares at it. "This city is full of life," he whispers. He feels hungry. He sees a hot dog cart. The smell is good. He buys one. "1 hot dog, please," he says. The man gives him the hot dog. Jorge takes a bite. Delicious," he says. Next to him, a woman is also eating a hot dog. She has kind eyes. Jorge smiles. "These hot dogs are very good, right?" She nods. "Yes, I love them," she says. "They are my favorite snack." "Are you from New York?" Jorge asks. "No," she says. "I live in Miami. I visit New York every year. And you?" "I am from Colombia," Jorge says. "It is my first time here." She smiles. "That's great. Do you like the city?" "I love it," Jorge says. "It is exciting. I like the people. I feel happy here." She nods. "Yes, New York is a special place." They finish their hot dogs. They stand there together, watching the lights and the people. "My name is Bella," she says. "I am Jorge," he says, shaking her hand. "Nice to meet you, Jorge," she says. "Do you want to walk a little? I know a great spot." "Yes," Jorge says. "Let's go." They walk through the city together. The streets are bright. The sounds of the city fill the air. As they walk, they talk about their lives. Bella talks about her job in Miami. Jorge tells her about working in Bogota. He feels happy. He didn't expect to meet someone like Bella. That night, he goes back to his hotel. He feels excited. I will see Bella again tomorrow, he thinks. He can't stop smiling. The next morning, Jorge wakes up early. He gets ready and leaves his hotel. The sky is blue. The sun is shining. He meets Bella near Central Park. They walk together to the Hudson River. The water is calm. Boats move slowly. It's beautiful, Jorge says. Yes, Bella says. I come here to relax. The city is busy, but this place is quiet. They sit on a bench. They talk more. Jorge feels relaxed. Bella looks at him. It's nice to meet someone in a big city, she says. Yes, Jorge says. New York is big, but talking to you makes it feel small. She smiles. She takes his hand. Jorge's heart beats fast. I'm glad we met, she says softly. Me too, Jorge says. They sit for a while holding hands. Then slowly they kiss. It is a sweet and gentle kiss. Bella smiles. Now New York feels even more special, she says. Jorge laughs. Yes, it does. They walk together by the river. Jorge feels light, happy, and full of hope. This trip is amazing, he thinks. I worked hard to come here, and now I have a new friend too. He looks at Bella and smiles. This is only the beginning, he says to himself. Who knows what will happen next? Questions to ponder for English learners. 1. Why did Jorge feel proud when he arrived in New York? 2. What helped Jorge improve his English before the trip? 3. How did Jorge feel when he started speaking in English with the people in the park? 4. Why do you think meeting Bella was important to Jorge? 5. Have you ever worked hard for a dream like Jorge did? What was it? Thank you for listening and pondering with us.